In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot deals and sales pipelines to track your deals easily. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to effectively manage your sales process using HubSpot's intuitive platform. Let's get started. First, we'll need to go to the HubSpot website. Navigate to your web browser and simply type in HubSpot in the search bar. Once you reach the HubSpot homepage, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up by following the prompts. However, today we're focusing on utilizing existing features within your account. Once you've logged in, look towards the top of your HubSpot dashboard and you'll see a menu navigation bar. Here, you'll find an option labeled CRM. Click on it. This will take you to a central hub where you'll access a variety of customer relationship management tools conveniently grouped together. By clicking on CRM, you're opening a new world of organized interactions and data that will support your sales efforts. After you're in the CRM section, you're going to want to focus on deals. This is where you'll track and manage all your ongoing sales initiatives. By clicking on deals, you're directed to a page that provides insight into all your current and potential sales deals. It's a vital feature for sales professionals, allowing you to visualize each deal's stage and move them through your predefined pipeline. Now, find the My Deals tab. This is a personalized view where you can see all the deals specifically relevant to you. Clicking here narrows down the dashboard to show only the deals you're managing, which helps keep your work streamlined. To start adding deals, look for the Add Deal button. Select it, and you'll begin the process of inputting a new deal into your system. This function is key, as it allows you to incorporate all the essential details relevant to each new sale opportunity you're handling. Following this, press Create New. This will bring up a form that you'll fill out with the specifics of your deal. As you fill in each field, remember that details are crucial. They'll help set clear expectations and improve future reporting and accountability. Once you've completed all the necessary information, review your entries. When you're satisfied everything is correct, hit Create. This action finalizes the process, adding the deal to your pipeline where it can be tracked and managed efficiently. And there you have it. You now know how to add and manage deals within HubSpot CRM. This systematic approach will keep you organized and help ensure you never miss a beat in your closing process. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment and get comfortable with these features. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your productivity with HubSpot.